Mirrors are more powerful than you thought. A home with windows feels good. It extends your room. People feel like looking towards it. However, not everyone is lucky to have multiple windows inside each room. I can solve your problem to some extent. You cannot break the wall to make a window. What you can do easily is use mirrors. Mirrors act like a window. It reflects corners and walls of the whole room. It extends your room, making your room look bigger. Many small restaurants use big wall-size mirror on their wall. It simply multiplies actual space. Inside a home, sometimes it may not be a good idea to use a very huge mirror. Rather, you could use back-painted glass which reflects to some extent. It lets your room continue in depth little further. But of course, a window-sized mirror on wall is excellent idea to create a window-like feeling for your brain.